You may have recently received a notification that had our entire class schedule. We're adding new classes all the time, so pay attention to alaskatraining.com for the full schedule. But we've offered a free Equifax breach protection checklist that can be very valuable to you because, as you may have heard, Equifax, one of the three primary credit reporting agencies, has had a significant breach. Thorne McGee, who is the content director for Target Marketing, said it well in his quote right off the FTC notification that if you have a credit report, there's a good chance that you're one of the 143 million American consumers whose sensitive personal information was exposed in a data breach at Equifax. I don't know about you, but I got very upset. I had to figure out what I could do to protect myself, and that's why we shot this video, so that we could share this information with you so that you don't have your bank accounts emptied and your identity stolen, because this could be something that goes for quite some time. In addition to the attack itself, there are now phishing attacks that people are trying to take advantage of a bad situation. And they're sending emails claiming that they're from Equifax when in fact they're not. So you don't want to click on any emails that you receive. These emails can also claim there's a problem with your credit card or your credit record or other personal information. So be extremely on guard based upon this big breach. Also, there are some scammers that are calling, claiming to be from your bank or credit union. You don't want to give them any personal information, and pay attention to any fraudulent charges on any credit card that you have, because your identity may have been stolen. Now, 5 things that you can do to prevent identity theft is to sign up for credit monitoring. I wouldn't recommend Equifax. There are other companies that do it. In addition to that, you want to freeze your credit files with the 3 major credit bureaus. If you download the report on this page, we have direct links to the specific pages that you can go to be able to freeze those files. Cheryl from our office ran into a few issues. You'll find that on the report as well, as far as other alternatives besides just going to their website. Be sure to check your credit reports free by going to annualcreditreport.com. You can also check your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized activities. And if you do feel that you've been a victim of identity theft, here is the URL and the phone number that you can call to resolve and deal with some of the problems that you may be facing. So what are your next steps? Download our free Equifax breach protection checklist on this page, which has direct links to the major credit bureaus pages to freeze your credit files. Thanks for listening, and be sure to do it right away, because your information is out there and people can use it to steal your identity.